Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Neha Kakkar vs Rohanpreet Singh, who is richer? Neha Kakkar and her longtime boyfriend Rohanpreet Singh recently got married in Delhi in a big fat Indian wedding. Both of the newlyweds are popular names in the industry as they both belong from the music industry. Let us have a look at the net worth and income of the bride and groom, and let's find out who is more rich between these lovebirds. Rohanpreet Singh has been working in the industry for quite a long time now. Neha Kakkar's bio has been a part of several projects in his career of singing. He has also been part of several television shows too. Rohanpreet Singh took part in the 2006 Saregama Little Champs and emerged as the first runner-up. He also took part in the singing reality show Rising Star Season 2, where he was announced as the runner-up. On the other hand, Neha Kakkar took part in the Indian Idol and now she is reigning the Bollywood industry. Let us have a look at the income of the bride and groom first. Well, Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh's main income source is their singing. Neha Kakkar as of 2020 charges 25 lakhs for singing one song in a movie, which is a quite huge amount. On the other hand, Rohanpreet Singh currently takes 2 lakhs for one song. Neha Kakkar charges 5 lakhs per show for her appearance in live events. She is also a judge of the show Indian Idol, and by judging the show, she earns 10 lakhs approximately per month. Every year, Neha Kakkar's income is increasing 35% year. Her monthly income is around 30 to 40 lakhs, which she earns from YouTube, Instagram and Bollywood. On the other hand, Rohanpreet Singh's monthly income from YouTube, Instagram and Bollywood is around 5 lakhs. The current net worth of the singing sensation of Bollywood, Neha Kakkar, is around 5 million. And her husband Rohanpreet Singh's net worth as of 2020 is currently 1 million approximately. So it can be easily said that Neha Kakkar is richer than her husband Rohanpreet Singh. What are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates from Bollywood.